Welcome back. This is the fourth video of the vSphere troubleshooting video series. Today, we will discuss the user interface available in the vSphere environment that helps with troubleshooting. We'll introduce you to 3 essential GUI interfaces and 3 CLI interfaces that are crucial for managing and troubleshooting your VMware environment. In this first segment, we'll uncover the significance of graphical user interfaces in managing and navigating your vSphere environment. Graphical user interfaces play a pivotal role in simplifying complex tasks and enhancing the user experience in vSphere environments. The vSphere client is a powerful graphical user interface designed to streamline the management of your virtual infrastructure. It offers a comprehensive suite of features and functionalities to simplify administration tasks. We can simply access the vSphere client web interface by just typing the vCenter IP or FQDN in your web browser. After connecting to the vSphere client, we can access the entire vSphere environment from this interface. At the heart of the vSphere client is its user-friendly interface, crafted to enhance productivity and ease of use. Whether you're provisioning virtual machines, configuring network settings, or monitoring performance, the vSphere client provides an intuitive environment for seamless navigation. With the vSphere client, administrators can centrally manage their entire virtualized environment, including virtual machines, hosts, storage, and networking components. Its integrated dashboard offers a unified view of critical metrics and alerts, empowering users to make informed decisions. From resource allocation and load balancing to high availability and disaster recovery, the vSphere client offers a robust feature set to meet the diverse needs of modern data centers. Administrators can leverage advanced functionalities to optimize performance, ensure reliability, and scale their virtual infrastructure. Seamless integration with other components of the vSphere ecosystem, such as vCenter server and ESXi hosts, further enhances the capabilities of the vSphere client. This interoperability enables administrators to manage their entire virtualized infrastructure from a single interface, simplifying administration and ensuring consistency. The VMware Host Client is a lightweight, web-based interface that provides direct access to individual ESXi hosts. We can access the VMware Host Client by simply typing the ESXi IP, or FQDN, into your web browser. After connecting to the VMware Host Client, we can access the individual host configurations and VMs running on host. It offers a simplified yet powerful platform for managing host configurations, monitoring performance, and troubleshooting issues. One of the key advantages of the VMware Host Client is its lightweight nature. Built on modern web technologies, it delivers a responsive and intuitive user experience across various devices and browsers. The interface of the VMware Host Client is designed for simplicity and ease of navigation. Users can quickly access essential features such as virtual machine management, storage configurations, and networking settings. With real-time monitoring capabilities, the VMware Host Client enables administrators to stay informed about the health and performance of their ESXi hosts. Monitor events, tasks, logs, and notifications. From Manage Settings, you can manage system settings such as auto start and stop settings, data time, NTP-related settings, assign or remove license service-related settings, and many more. Accessing host actions, you can perform power-related tasks, enable and disable host SSH, maintenance mode, lockdown mode, and permissions-related tasks. Additionally, you can create a support bundle using this interface. The above tasks can also be done using the vSphere client. If you do not have a vCenter server or are facing any difficulties accessing the web client, you need to access this interface for further troubleshooting. The vCenter Server Appliance Management Interface provides administrators with a centralized platform for configuring, monitoring, and managing the vCenter server appliance itself. We can access the vCenter Server Appliance Management Interface by typing the vCenter IP or FQDN with port 5480 in your web browser. Unlike the vSphere client, which focuses on managing virtualized resources, the VCSA management interface is dedicated to the administration of the vCenter server appliance, including system settings, services, and security configurations. Administrators can use the VCSA management interface to configure various system settings, such as vCenter access settings, vCenter networking settings, NTP retailed settings, ensuring optimal performance and reliability of the vCenter server appliance. The interface provides real-time monitoring capabilities, allowing administrators to track the health status of the vCenter server appliance and diagnose potential issues proactively. Performance metrics and services available for analysis and troubleshooting. Backup and restore functionality is integral to data protection and disaster recovery planning. With the VCSA management interface, administrators can schedule automated backups, perform manual backups, and initiate restore operations seamlessly. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will delve into the vSphere CLI interface. Stay tuned as we explore its functionalities and capabilities together. See you in the next one.